moving along through our list of projects that are trying to build a new internet, we are now looking at Consensys. And I was scrolling through here before I started making the video to take a look at what it has to offer. And the best part about it that I've seen so far is the labs. This is where we're going to find all the fun stuff. So we scroll down a little bit and we have these spoke companies. There are quite a few of them. We have AirSwap. And this is yet another simple wallet-to-wallet token trading. So if you'd like to explore that on your own, go for it. We have Alethio. And this is all about making your Ethereum data work for you. So, blockchain exploration, analysis, and forecasting products for your Ethereum network. I like that layout. That looks nice, but is that all that it is? Explore Ethereum with clarity. Gets down into the developers. Start exploring. They want to bring light to the blockchain. So this gives an overview on what the blockchain is, how the transactions work. So if you'd like to explore how this, yet another crypto finance tool, go for it. We have Balance, another financial management for digital assets. Benefactory. Benefactory seems pretty cool. Grassroots sector of our economy. Crowd philanthropy. Okay. So, build economic power from scratch. Start the foundation. Do good. Get votes. The bigger your contribution, the more votes you get to set priorities for your group. Decide where your money goes, open the platform, start a group. During Benefactory's beta, some features are disabled for public use. If you're interested in testing out private features, join the Slack. So, if you'd like to join their Slack, you get the private features, but so I can't start a group at all yet. You can explore the featured groups. Momentum. Okay, priorities to fund, all time contributions. Alright, so something to keep our eyes on. Bounties network. Changing the way we collaborate. So let's explore the bounties. I like the little bees. The bounty bees. Oh. Well, let's see. Support Crypto Chicks. And Crypto Chicks has earned $22.62. Crypto Chicks Hackathon project write-up, another $22. Help shape commons. Get Peter to watch Mean Girls, and that's actually raised $18. Fantastic. Peter needs to watch this movie. He doesn't know all the memes he's missing. How old was this? Yeah, just last month. The submission, the donation. Oh, that's funny. Alright. Pretty cool. Got a leaderboard there. Oh, someone's actually raised $1,000. Well, good for Michael. What are you raising it for? Doesn't tell me. Bounties created. Submissions. 1. Data science challenge. Looking for someone to build a pricing engine for the bounties network. Well, there you go. Well, that looks like something fun to explore. Let's move along. BTC Relay. Become a relayer. Bridge between the Bitcoin blockchain and Ethereum smart contracts. You can, are you a developer? You can try it out. Everyone can be a relayer and earn Ethereum. What are the incentives for relayers? Let's see. Incentivize the community to be relayers and thus allow Bitcoin Relay to be autonomous and up to date with the Bitcoin blockchain. Relayers can call that. The relayer will be the get-free recipient for the block they submit. And when any transactions are verified in the block or the header is retrieved, the relayer will be rewarded with that amount. Has the ability to make sure the relayer doesn't set excessive fees. So now might be a good time to jump into this if you wanted to earn a little extra Ethereum while it's kind of down and there's not so much strain on the network. Okay, so civil. New economy for journalism. I like a lot of these websites. The layout, very nice, very easy to understand. So if you wanted to buy civil tokens, how civil works. Okay, is there anything we can actually test out? Token sales now live. Buy before October 15th. But they do not seem to have anything that I can easily find and test out. How to launch a newsroom. Yeah, just sign up, apply, submit a charter, submit a roster. Meet the civil constitution's ethical standards and stake civil tokens, so you have to buy the tokens. But there's nothing that I can actually view a live working demo. So it says will be live summer 2018. This is October. Well, Sybil, if you do have something that we can try out, maybe someone will see this video and give us a link. Until then, we are stuck waiting. Okay, Consensys Energy. I can't click on that one. Just an image. Diligence. Fathom. Universal System of Assessment. Decentralized protocol for creating and assessing credentials through the consensus of knowledge communities. That doesn't tell me a whole lot. How it works, you offer tokens to start an assessment with the number of assessors you desire. Assessors can accept by staking tokens. You collaborate with each assessor to carry out the assessment, and each submits a score. Each score is measured against the overall consensus and is rewarded or punished accordingly. Your final score is the average of the consensus. Wow. Universal credential ecosystem where individuals are free to learn as they please and collaborate with anyone in the world. There you go. You can find out more information, a more wide-eyed explanation. How Fathom fixes things. So Fathom aims to enable this freedom by focusing on the social process that generates the credentials themselves by creating incentives for communities to form and support themselves in the assessment process. You have a system for creating and organizing micro-credentials that are both meaningful and scalable. Self-sovereign identity. So, self-sovereign identity should not be able to be destroyed, forged, or otherwise compromised by any power blockchains and Ethereum in particular. Blockchains, and Ethereum in particular, form an incredible foundation of self-sovereign identity. Ethereum provides a robust and versatile paradigm for identity management for lower-level qualities, such as immutability and public key-based accounts, and higher-level constructs such as proxy contracts and others. What? I mean, I kind of get it, but I think I would have to do a little more digging on Fathom. Yeah, Gitcoin. Do more, work faster. Gitcoin is the easiest way to leverage the open source community to incentivize and monetize work. Fund an issue or how it works. Augment your team's workflow. Save time on non-core tasks, build out interesting features, squash pesky bugs. So this is all for project development, hire global talent, grow your open source community. Kickstart interest on your open source project by posting on Gitcoin, where 3,000 plus developers will see what you're building. Oh, that's interesting. I did have that's interesting. I did have an idea similar to that. Way too late, obviously. Alright, so if we want to fund an issue, developer guide, create a GitHub issue. You'll need the issue URL. Select the type of issue to fund. Complete the form and press Fund Issue. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. And once confirmed on the blockchain, your bounty is posted to Gitcoin. Well, very neato. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I'm not ready. Alright, so, yep, I don't have MetaMask anymore. Well, Gitcoin, for all you developers, might want to go check that out. Gnosis. Redistribute the future. Yeah, I'll accept the cookies. Go ahead and check me. So, builds new market mechanisms to enable the distribution of resources from assets to incentives and information to ideas. So there's something on here that we are able to take a look at that is working. Seems like most of these are just in the idea stage. We have the timeline. 2013 is when it started. Okay. This is iOS. This is, what's this? Challenge. Are you ready to submit your dApp? Submit here. Alright, moving along. Govern X. Let's see what Govern X is. Blockchain governance. I could have probably figured as much. So you can sign up for it. I believe everything that I'm gathering here is that Consensys is just getting a lot of great companies together, but I mean, do we have to sign up with them individually? That's not really them creating a new internet. There's a lot of seemingly great projects going on Consensys. Sign up for open law. I'm just curious. So yeah, we'd have to sign up with each and every single service individually. So overall, I think I'm going to go ahead and stop Consensys at this point. If you're interested, then definitely check them out. But they've lost my attention at this point. I want something that I can actually twiddle around with, and this does not seem to actually have that. Zug ID, just double check. Mechanics of the Zug ID. Zug. Zug. Yeah, it's still... see, website of the city of Zug. Okay, that doesn't help me. Yep, okay, I'm done with Consensys. Lots of great projects out there. Fantastic. Just no usable product that I'm able to easily find. So my review of Consensys is you got a long way to go. The next one that we will be looking at is Cosmos. Stay tuned for that video, and I wish you all well.